Hey, in today's video we're going to talk about these emergency food bars by Mainstay, so stick around. Hey, if you've been looking for emergency food, you've probably seen that there's a lot of brands, a lot of varieties out there, and you may be a little unsure of what you want to buy. I did the same kind of research looking for an emergency food bar that I can stick in my bug out bag, my get home bag, leave in my vehicles, and then it would be safe to consume in the event of an emergency. So I did my research, looked around, and I decided to go with these Mainstay food bars. They come in a variety of calorie counts. This happens to be the 1200 calorie bar, but they have them up to 3600 calories that I've seen. Now, the one thing that's kind of interesting about these food bars is the way they're packaged. They are Coast Guard approved, meaning they will withstand moisture, they will stand extreme heat. So they're perfect to leave in one of your get home bags that you store in your vehicle, or to leave a couple of these in your vehicle all the time. And I live here in Florida where it gets extremely hot. And my research tells me that these things are good for up to 300 degrees. So leaving it in your car, on your boat, or out at your bug out location where you don't have AC, rest assured that you're going to be fine by consuming these bars if you ever needed to. I like these bars because they have a 5-year shelf life. They're packed with vitamins and minerals, and they claim that they taste great. So let's find out. The packaging is very, very thick and durable, so no doubt this is going to withstand heat, moisture. All right, here's our bar, and they've got it subdivided into 3 sections, so each section is worth 400 calories. I can tell you just the texture of it, it kind of feels like cookie dough or something like that, because it's it's crumbly. It kind of looks like a cookie dough, right? I mean, it's just a block, light in color, nothing appetizing look about it. But I guess if you imagine that it's cookie dough, then you might enjoy it a little bit more. I'm just going to break a piece off here. It certainly just kind of crumbles easily. As you can see, it's just crumbling in my hand, so it just falls right apart. But the real test comes into, what does this taste like? If you're hungry, you're going to eat this just fine. That's actually kind of impressive. I was honestly, I'm going to be honest here, I was expecting it to taste pretty nasty. So it's real gritty, just as you saw how easy it fell apart in my hand, how crumbly it is. So as soon as you put it in your mouth, it kind of starts to dissolve and fall apart. So it kind of becomes gritty, almost like you were eating sugar or something, just gritty. But it does have a slight sweet texture to it, so that they probably have some kind of sweetener in here that helps it go down. So it does have 14 grams of sugar according to the package, so it does add a little sweetness to it, which makes it easier to go down. And honestly, it doesn't taste too far from a cookie dough. Kind of dry. However, according to some of the documentation, it says that it does not provoke thirst, and I could probably eat this bar if I needed to without having anything to drink, but if you find yourself in an emergency situation where you're having to eat one of these bars, I'm sure hoping you do have water with you, because water is the most important prep. But overall, I got to tell you, I'm impressed. I really am. I would not have a problem eating this. Of course, I would eat snails, worms, bugs, and anything else too in an emergency situation if I was hungry enough, right? And that's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying that this is of that caliber. This is actually a really good, decent energy bar that tastes fine. And you should get one of these. I purchased a couple for my get home bags. I'll be purchasing a few more of these just to leave them in my vehicle, because now that I know that they can withstand the heat and the moisture long term, this is exactly the solution I've been looking for. So hey, you know what? I encourage you to check it out yourself. Now, there is an affiliate link down below. You don't have to use that. You can just go out and buy these, because I'm encouraging you to go buy them. It's not because I'm trying to make a little money off of you by you clicking on an affiliate link. This is just a decent product, and it's a product that I'm happy with, and I think you'll be happy with it too. And if you're happy, and you're happy with this video, please give me a thumbs up, because for all the thumbs up I get, YouTube shares this video with someone else, and that's how this channel grows. And if you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out here, please consider subscribing by hitting the button below. I'm also going to throw up a couple other videos right here I think you're going to enjoy, so if you click on those, you know what? I'll see you over on the other side. Thanks for watching.